Welcome to all of you in today's session. Today we'll be talking on Lidar. Is the spelling right? Lidar. Lidar. Okay, today I'll talk on LIDAR only. Lidar, right? Lidar is a technology. It is a remote sensing technology that measured the distance by illuminating a target with a laser and analyze the reflected light. Okay, so basically working principle of lidar is very similar to EDMI, electronic distance measuring instrument. So it send the laser to the target and in back, so that time is calculated, and from that distance, what is the distance of that area, the target is measured. Okay, there are a lot of application for the lidar which are very conventional, not very new, like in civil engineering, in corridor mapping, spatial planning, flood monitoring, landscape monitoring, erosion monitoring, coastal land line monitoring, irrigation management, volumetric studies, and geomorphology and archaeology. This lidar is used actually. You can see here in this picture the application of lidar in civil engineering, how they're using even for a city, like in spatial planning, lidar technology is using, corridor mapping, and forestry applications. This in a forest, if you want to count how many that or those kind of animals are there, or how many trees are there, what is the depth of the forest, land level, lot of other things actually that can be measured with the lidar actually. Lidar technologies is flood monitoring, what is the level of the water in a river or any places, so that can be, or in land when flood is going on or expected to come, so those things can be monitored accurately. And with the lidar technology, landsliding, erosion, coastal line, as I said, you can see here in this picture, these are the things actually measured with the lidar. But lidar, there are many other also technology which can do the similar things which a lidar do. But lidar technology has got some of the advantages actually. Like lidar is an active sensor. There are many other things which are not active sensor. Active sensor mean lidar is independent of working in day and night. Okay, it is more accurate and it can extract the bare ground. It means, say in a snow forest, what is the depth of the snow, what is the actual land, that lidar can easily measure. In a grass or jungles, what is the actual land, lidar can measure. Even in a river, what is the depth of the water, that can easily be measured with the lidar technology. Digital aerial photography, lidar is very much compatible and it takes less time actually. And most important point is lidar technology is weather dependency is very less. It is equally efficient in the monsoon or in the winter or summer season actually. But there are many other technology which are not working good when there is a weather conditions like cloudy weather or rainy season, etc. Lidar has also got further different classes actually, and depending on the application, those who are expert, I'm not very expert on the lidar, but just sharing what is the technology and what are the probable application areas. Like this lidar has got backscattered lidar, there is a differential absorption lidar, Doppler kind of lidar, fluorescence lidar, a Raman lidar. So depending on the application and suitability, this type of the lidar is chosen. But recently, not very recently, maybe in the last 10-20 years, there are many areas of industry or applications where lidar technology is very much getting popular and successful. Say for example, Google driverless car, they are using the lidar technology. Cruise automation, Tesla Model D, Cadillac Super Cruise, and Ford traffic jam system, they are all using the lidar technology. You can see here in this picture. From the picture, it can be understood actually what it do actually. This Tesla car D, is a hands-free. During driving, you don't need to drive with your hands for the steering actually. So this is controlled with the lidar technology. So, and even for traffic jam, suppose you are driving through some route and there are some jam and all these things. So Lidar easily give this kind of information correctly and real time application actually. So day by day application of Lidar is increasing very much, and majorly in US and some of the European countries. And if we talk about the this present CAG, this turnover of the Lidar business, total Lidar business in 2021, it is about 1200 million US dollar. So day by day and coming days it will be much more, and because this CAGR of this Lidar industry is going more than 8-9% as on date actually. So day by coming days this total Lidar product and applications will be increasing a lot actually. Thank you so much for your attention and time.